The latest COVID figures are in. It's a new day, a new hike. India has reported 2,73,810 positive cases in the past 24 hours. It's the highest ever. The deaths, 1,619. That is the highest as well. India at the moment, the past 24 hours have been the deadliest and have got the maximum cases in a single day. All this is happening as we continue to see cases come up from all parts of the country. Over 2 lakh cases is what India has reported repeatedly, and this is now going on for the 5th consecutive day where India has reported over 2 lakh cases. Sukirti Dwivedi joining us with the very latest. Sukirti, new day, new hike, maximum cases, maximum deaths.
Well, yes, the situation continues to be concerning with each passing day. A jump of about 12,000 cases from yesterday. Yesterday we had about 2,61,000 cases. Today we have 2,73,000 cases. Deaths have gone up from 1,500 or so yesterday to about 1,600 today. And of course, the biggest worries being states like Maharashtra and of course the national capital, where the Chief Minister is also set to hold a crucial meeting today. And there are chances that the curfew in the national capital could go on for a longer period than just the weekend. So at this point of time, India's hospital infrastructure across the country struggling to deal with the patient caseload. Today, we've also had this letter from the Indian Medical Association. They've urged the government to expedite some of the exams that were planned to happen later. The Indian Medical Association is also saying that the hospital infrastructure across the country is crumbling at this point of time, and we are in desperate need of additional healthcare workforce. Certain examinations that were supposed to happen later should be conducted much sooner so that a lot of these medical students can join the workforce. They can help in all of these COVID-dedicated hospitals across the country that are working day and night at this point of time. So on one hand, we have record highs of COVID cases and deaths, and on ground the situation is that there are desperate needs and desperate families searching for hospital beds from pillar to post. Government adding those hospital beds in banquet halls, schools, everywhere possible. Yet we are falling short, and that is why the central government also saying that they are also ramping up resources, but situation continues to be worrying on ground.
It's an emergency at the moment in various parts of the country. The numbers are just a giveaway on that. The highest number of cases since the onset of the pandemic in a single day. Highest deaths as well. Let me just repeat those numbers for you over there. 2,73,810 in one single day. Over 1,600 lives lost in one single day.